Alright guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new wireless charging station, a 3-in-1 from Benks. Now, huge shout out to Benks for sending this out to me to review for you guys. Thank you guys so much, I appreciate it. So, anyways, let's take a look at the packaging. Now, this is a foldable 3-in-1 stand. It's going to be like that thick when it's folded through. This is perfect for traveling, and I'm really excited to check it out with you guys. So, you get a strong magnetic connection, and it is sturdy and flexible. Now here it just says wireless charging station, 3-in-1 foldable. So taking a look at the back, there's a bunch of different information in all different languages, but let's not waste time and read all that. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So as soon as you get it open, I've already opened this up and have been testing it for a little while, so nothing else in the box. Now the first complaint I have about this is just that it does not come with a power brick. Now for the price on this, I mean, it's $39.99, so 40 bucks on this one, not too bad. You know, you can buy a power brick, but I always wish that it did come with one. So you do get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and let's actually go ahead and open this up and see. This is a pretty decent long cable, you know what I mean? This is about a 3-foot cable here. So like I said, C to C, so that's a nice touch right there. And you get a little quality control sticker and an instruction manual here that you can feel free to read on your own time. So let's go ahead and set all that stuff to the side and unbox the charger. So basically just take this little paper bag, this plastic bag out, and here you have it. This thing is so thin. It's like almost hard to believe that this folds out and this is a 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. So I'm actually not gonna plug in the cable that comes with it just because I already have a cable, a USB Type-C cable with a power brick plugged in, nice wired in through my desk and stuff. So I'm just gonna set this off to the side over here and we'll use the cable I already have plugged in. So basically what you're getting here is on the top, you are getting your MagSafe pad. This folds out, and on the second level, you have your Apple Watch charger. And on the third level, you have your AirPods charger. Now, the cool thing about this is it does kind of fold out all the way. You can kind of even have it laid out like this if you really want to, and you know, just have it flat down and charging this way. And also, this does come out, so it's able to, you know, stand up whether you're using it like this, or if you're using it in stand mode, the Apple Watch charger part comes out. So let's go ahead and actually plug this in. I'm gonna use it in stand mode for this video, so we're gonna have it just like this. And by the way, to close it, you're gonna take the AirPods section, close that in that way, and then take your MagSafe section and put it on top of the Apple Watch section. So just like that, it goes right back into that nice little compact packaging. So we'll go ahead and open this back up. So we're gonna stand this way and pop out the Apple Watch charger. And let's go ahead and grab our USB Type-C and find the slot in here. So here we have it. This is the USB Type-C port. And let's see. So we do have a little blue LED light right there, and that's gonna be our charging indicator. So this stays on pretty much the whole time, but it's very faint and very small, so you can barely see it. And what that's gonna do is when the light is on and solid blue, that means it's on standby mode, ready to start charging. When it is charging, it's gonna be a full red light. And then if there's a malfunction, it's gonna be a blue and a red light blink. So let's go ahead and set our stuff up on here. So first and foremost, we'll start off with our 15 Pro Max in black titanium, which by the way, this is the Taurus Guardian frosted case. If you guys are interested in that, I'll be sure to leave that video right there. But we'll go ahead and turn that on. We are charging right there. Next, let's go ahead and bring my wife's Apple Watch. I don't own an Apple Watch, so we're gonna use my wife's Apple Watch. We'll plug that in right here. And if you guys see that, it is charging. It's kind of hard to see through here, but it is charging there. And I'll show you guys in a little bit of a better angle. And then third of all, we'll take AirPods Pro 2. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna set them onto, let me see if I can't turn this, might be a little easier to see. We're gonna set them onto this pad right here. And there we go. If you guys hear that, it is charging. Now it's gonna be kind of hard for me to show you that LED light right there with the phone sitting there, but let me see if I can't just put the phone on last. So let's start that over one time. Bear with me, guys. So let's go ahead and take the Apple Watch charger. We'll put that on. There we go. We are charging. Next, we'll go ahead and bring over the AirPods Pro 2. Set that down. That's charging right there. And I'm gonna take this, bend that over a little bit, set my iPhone on it. Oh, and it fell off. So one thing we learned with that is you definitely want to have this in the correct angle. So I'm going to go ahead and stick all this stuff back on here so we make sure it all works nice together and everything like that. Okay, and this one, we'll just lean this part a little bit forward like this. All right, and there we go. There we have it in portrait mode, and you can even use it in landscape mode, in nightstand mode, and this will be good to go. So let's see if we can't. There we go. It should switch here shortly. It might not. There we go. It did switch over into nightstand mode. So you have this great little compact charger right here. You're able to take this anywhere you go with you, and you set it on your nightstand. It's perfect for that. You know, you're sitting there sleeping, whatever you're doing, and you have that on your nightstand. Or if you just want a quick charge, just plug it all up. But when you're ready to go, you just take, let's put the AirPods back on so we have that nightstand set up. So when you're ready to go, we're going to take the AirPods off, take your Apple Watch off, put that on your wrist, and then take your iPhone off, and you're good to go. Whenever you're leaving your destination, your hotel room, whatever, wherever you're staying, go ahead and just close the Apple Watch charger up, stick that onto the AirPods charger, and put the MagSafe charger, fold that up, unplug it, tuck everything up nice and neat together, clean your cable up. You can put this in your pocket, in your bag, literally anywhere, in a purse, sling bag. I mean, this thing will fit anywhere, and this is a great, super, super nice compact charger. Now, it does come in black and it comes in white, and also the charging speeds you're gonna get are, for your AirPods, you're gonna get 5 watts. For the Apple Watch, you're gonna get 5 watts. And for your iPhone, you're only getting 7.5 watts of wireless charging. Unfortunately, this is not Qi 2, so it's not gonna give you that full 15 watts of charging. But if you have an Android phone, you're gonna get 15 watts of charging with this device. So let's actually try it just out of curiosity to see if we can get the stuff laying on it flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this back in. Oh, also, let's check out that LED real quick. So as soon as you start charging something, it is going to turn red. I'm not really sure if you can even see that. It's very, very faint in here, so it's really not going to bother you when you are sleeping or anything. It's barely visible. I can't even get my camera to really focus on it well, but it's barely visible right there. You do have that LED light, so that's always nice to see. And let's see how this will look. Now, I'm going to have to just take this part of the band out just to demonstrate the flat charging with this. But let's try that out. So we'll put our iPhone on here. There we go, that's charging. We'll take our AirPods and we will put our Apple Watch right there. And if you have one of those bands that can just, support it that way, that can completely open up, or if you feel like just taking one end of your band off, you can even have this laying flat in a flat charging setting. So that's really cool. This thing is super versatile, tiny, super compact, and very easy to take along with you anywhere you go. So with that being said, this is the Benks Juicepod 3-in-1 foldable for the iPhone, the AirPods, and the Apple Watch. So let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments below. Would you try it and pick it up? If you're interested, like I said, the link will be down in the description below. Make sure you use code Brian15 to save 15% off your purchase at Benks. I'll leave that code right here as well. Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're interested in another great 3-in-1 wireless charging option, I'll leave that right there.